my name is Christine Gilbert. I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to make a mask out of your leggings, your LuLaRoe leggings. This is super simple, washable. Look at how cute this is. Washable, it does not hurt your ears. It even has a coffee filter on the inside that when you're done, throw your coffee filter away, throw this in the washer, I would say in a lingerie bag, and put your next one on and be ready to go. So not only that, but you're gonna get 2 out of each pair of leggings. I'm using some OS leggings. You're not only gonna get 2 masks, but you are also going to have a cute pair of shorts. So I cut these off, and all I did was roll them up like this a little bit. You can wear them as summer shorts, or you can tuck them up even shorter and wear them under your dress or skirt or something like that in case you get a brief stint of wind and it blows up your skirt. So what we're gonna do is, this is very quick and simple, no sewing. Okay, I've got some OS leggings here, which are one size. They fit like 0 to 8. You could use kid size leggings or anything like that. I have some sewing shears. These cut a lot quicker, a lot easier. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the end here. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Now, I'm gonna measure up, this might depend on your size, but I'm gonna measure up 11 inches. So if you go there, it does not have to be exact. We'll just cut across here. And now, I have my shorts. These, I did end up cutting an additional 4 inches off for my shorts. And if you wanted to, you could even, nothing exact here, you could even cut more if you decided to cut more. But this also gives you an extra layer in case you want to put that inside your mask. And again, when you put your shorts on, instead of rolling them on the outside, just tuck them under, and you can cut them shorter if you need to. So we have a pair of shorts. Here we go with 2 masks. I'm just going to do one, so let's go ahead and set this aside. Now with the one mask, I'm going to do the fold on the bottom. It does have one fold on the set of leggings here, so I'm going to put the fold so it's on the bottom of my mask. You can choose if you want to see what side you would like better on your face, but the fold is at the bottom. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut like a little crescent shape. I would say just the top layer, okay? This is the back of the mask. This is where your mouth is going to be. So I would say about 1 inch in right here. So you're just going to cut about 1 inch. So like an oval, not an oval, but a crescent like that. About 1 inch, 1.5 inches in. Now I'm gonna do this because I'm right-handed, so I have to turn it this way. I'm gonna do the same thing, and about 1.5 inches or so in. Okay, all right, there we go. Now what we need to do is we need to make little ear holes for our ears. So we're gonna take this and fold it in half so that the outside is here, and I'm just gonna snip it to make those ear holes. Now this is gonna go around our ear. I'm gonna snip it about 1 inch in, but I'm gonna give it about 1/2 inch. So about 1/2 inch here and about 1 inch deep. Okay, because this is gonna go, this is just guesstimating about like that. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side, about 1/2 inch of fabric on the outside, about 1 inch deep, and voila, you have a mask. Okay, so look at this. You stick it around your ears. Super comfy, okay? And if you want, what you can do for some extra protection is I took a coffee filter, I folded it in half, and I just stuck it inside like this. You can also use like a Swiffer wiper, or a vacuum bag, or an AC filter. I think I heard somewhere on the news some of the AC filters are like really, really good. But if you're just going out and about and you don't have all those things, this is perfect, okay? Now, when you get done wearing it, all you have to do is take that coffee filter out, of course throw it away, wash your hands, and also make sure you stick this in a lingerie bag and wash it. But, look at how cute this is. Super cute!